Yeah.
Me me prefer make actually omo be a campaign chere yen say Christian leader. This is the leader Modebre yen in the name of Christian leadership. The Modebre Ghana ni. Yen nyinaa yɛni tua. Sɛ yɛwɔ conscience a, if you have conscience, na sɛ yɛte I know say a lot of them are ɛwɔ ɔmo rooms mu a ɔmo ntumi nka. Wɔn sɛ ade no ɔsɔfo aborɔbɛ ɛwowɔ wo nso a wontumi nka. Nti wohyɛ dan mu and you are so much ashamed. You cannot come out to come and say anything. So ɛna ayɛ ahomete ɛyɛ de ama yɛn. Enti no fiti campaign time na yɛbɛkɔ 2028 no. Nobody should come and talk about any Christian leadership and I say Ghana a Christian country. We don't want to hear anything like that. Because who so-called Christian leader in the name of Christian country modene ma yen eno ena ne suban aye te say janta oti oman ni mu a wofifi na so. Yes.
Ti said then.
Oye te say janta. Oman ni mu a. Yes, Bamama is more of obiebu more of somebody a obe odi tu obesi obi ti so na oyi ni fi abe. So I say. Odi tu obesi obi so that's how behave. That's the exact characteristics, and that's exactly what they are doing. Or Chileans or no, he never believed in democracy, even though ye tuaba and ye didn't see so. It is say ye bet na ho, na ye beka say, Jomama, ye tuaba ne ma wo, one fatuo ne betu and no enye na sem. Because no, we born in two bodies, brazen and auditi we say one no more, Jubilee House of and a West na so, and is happily clapping for the nonsense that is going on in Ghana. Because yes, sir, what appointed Japa? You are the one that who himself who now appointed Japa. Now say Japa didn't say you have the right to say Ube caution. He says, I did say, don't do it, don't do that. But he seems because he's happy and on sounds so yeah, Obia or Kani he agrees with him with Dino. Oguso and now oh yes, I did. So hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. Can you hear me? Yes. Enti oguso ena nsɛmfo no odi na Mahama all the nonsense chaos nsɛmfo ekoso wo man no mu nyina na voice o kai say last 2 weeks as a den ye ka say he decided he was going to go and or no heard the travels of Nanado Danko Ekufuado and that Auntie Freeman had been invited to come and answer questions. And when they saw say alarm na blow abonten no na enu de e de asem kese beba no quickly na omo ba abonten ebeka say enu de na feliso fosu kwatwe Salome entro ahye ne ma a ogina oba dem obi dem kra odi eyi friend say party t-shirt na ekoba ashawo a nani wu ogina ground so hokra no na wo ka che ni se machom no o si da bi mi dem na migina so no Chantro said there's nothing like that. Esi. But we all know say dia moye. You did it. Enti no mu dia de no free na omu di ko na do so na ye we say anti Freeman be kan na fe de omu di ko Dr. Bawumia so. Enti John Mahama sa nyoma we ye koso wo Ghana the chaos the disgrace ye famu wo man no mu. Disgrace ye famu internationally. We can't even lift up the Ghana flag. We cannot. Yentimi nka Ghana wasemu biemo because Miss Rosa Bibe bisa me say when I am a president na me de me sabe point me de ni photo be say me president ni I am a new. I'm so ashamed. I'm very very ashamed. Very ashamed of your government or tisu or Ghana sisi. Say, me be kachiro bi say ya bani. Say the 8 years, me timi chere say Nanado ye me president. Somebody who sold Ghana reputation, Ghana or building Ghana reputation and our pride. Who ma Ghana flag ye the boy ye car so ye kwa sorry a ye the flag me ba girl yi wa mama ato Ghana flag kesi ama no ntoma a odi sa odi gu ni komu. She's always looking for something about Ghana. But ene yentimi nka sa biemu voice. We can't say that again.
Sadly.
We can't say that again because of the ekoso wo ye man no mu a and gu ye ni mu ase poto. As they say, your reputation, you be bia bafom. Everything that was built for Ghana no abafom. Aha dream.
Did
Yeah,
you did
ma.
you realize I was removing some cables and then inserting other cables and all those?
Yes, 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 yes.
And the live maybe had paused, maybe my image had paused
Yes,
for some
yes,
time.
yes.
Yes, doom so. What doom light now?
Bedroom light no.
Yeah, my doom light and Wi-Fi I know is gone off. And then all those the
So you are
mixer is gone
using
off and
data
all
right
those.
now.
Yeah, and then the network is not stable with the data.
And the
That's the
network
that
is even worse now. I see network
yes.
is worse now.
Yes. That is
And
it.
they are
That's
they're
a party we
trying to
voted for.
suppress more social media, so more following people's notifications.
Yeah.
So and NDC for they always everything they do, they just always display their stupidity all over the place. I don't know, bibi ombeye bia no hu se omo ya nyansa bia ni minim se nyankopon na etu omo ka o. Say then God is intentionally punishing NDC. So making them make a fool of themselves in every action that they take. They have totally turned to clowns. If you sit down now, show me. Now share the year. Now compare to the past 8 years, what Ghanaians have experienced. You see, say, oh, Debbie. We are talking about kindergarten, any
Yeah.
PhD person. Kindergarten for any PhD for asem. Very sad. Very, very sad. Nti wohwɛ nea ɔmo yeyɛ ɔmo ho total vindictiveness as instead of governing, vindication has become the order of the day.
Modum light.
Therefore, yɛde agye ne so. Yɛde agye ne so.
Tell you wrap up na main call na.
Yo.
This is what we voted for.